chips with the egg salad, okay? So that's a little bowl, a salsa bowl, the egg salad. And then I made my sandwich. I'll put Dijon, organic Dijon mustard, um, Kraft mayonnaise, and I made it with 3 eggs. I have cayenne pepper, a little bit of oregano, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. So, magnifique, magnifique. Mmm. 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 I like how there are proteins there, but then I need some carbs because I'm doing a lot of laundry and cleaning. I'm getting ready for the week, you know? I'm getting all my videos made. I've made like 48 videos over the entire weekend. Plus, Thursday, Friday, the entire weekend. I think it's 48. Well, I just deleted 40 that I had made from the file. The rest are on there. I gotta upload 8 more. I'm serious. Like, I'm good at this. Like, I'm dedicated. My channel's going popping. It's going fast. I think we're at 135 and 137 subs. Plus the bigger channel. It's over 3,500. Pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm enjoying my meal. See you later. Bye-bye.